has only just begun.
Soudiere or lilac, sodbuster. Here, have some of this.
Trapping out of dope. Niggas trying jacking, we gon' pull this 44. Suck a nigga snow. Trapping out of dope. Stack a hundred stacks, you wanna step, but we can show. Suck a nigga snow. Trapping out of dope. Niggas trying jacking, we gon' pull this 44. Suck a nigga snow. Trapping out of dope. Stack a hundred stacks, you wanna step.
Supposing I make it my business.
Listen, I'm gonna go. It's been really nice talking to both of you guys.
Absolutely. The pleasure's all on this side of the table, trust me.
I have been stabbed, shot, poisoned, frozen, hung, electrocuted, and burned.
Oh, really?
Every morning I wake up without a scratch on me, not a dent in the fender. I am an immortal.